Hi, my name is Sania Dwi Agustin from class 12 IPS 4.
Hi, my name is Nadya.
Hi guys, my name is Zahra Aulia.
Here we will make a tutorial on using the Pashmina hijab. The first simple Pashmina hijab tutorial to teenager you can make to cover your case. This model will be suitable for formal or casual setting with Pashmina. Please get to find out the details of how. Follow the step.
Step 1. Wear a inner hijab light black. Wear Pashmina with the right side shorter than other sides.
3. Pin the two parts of the Pashmina at the neck. And 4. Fold the Pashmina forward to enter the left side of the Pashmina, turning it backward to the front.
5. Close back the back of the head. 6. Tidy up the front side of the Pashmina. Make the rest of the hijab cover the chest.